Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we have a new product for unboxing, reviewing and testing. And this is a Parkside Cordless Work Light model PATC 2A1. You can already see what is in the box. We have 3 years warranty from Lidl, as I said here. We have approximately 160 lumen charger, and for your car charger. That means is this flashlight, you can charge it. He has a lithium battery inside. And let's open it to see what we have inside and how it works. Okay, here we are. I just open it. And let's take out first the flashlight. Then we have the wall charger, the USB cable, and the car charger. Of course, we got some manuals inside if you want to read it your choice. And let's start with the chargers. This is the wall charger. It goes to 100 to 240 volts, and output we have 5 volts, 500 milliamps. And the car charger, it is 12 volts of course, and the output is 5 volts to 500 milliamps. The USB cable, standard USB cable, goes to the chargers, and the micro USB is going to the flashlight. Let's go to the flashlight now. Here is the micro USB, the LED indicator. It goes red when you are charging and green where it's fully charged. From the bottom we have this hook up. Put it wherever is suitable for you. 2 powerful magnets in any metal surface. It will do the job. Then we have the hand spotlight. Push it and will go on. Push it. This is the low. First was the high, low, and then it is the orientation light. And again we have 2 magnets here that you can open that. Then we have the work light. Just slide it like that and it will go on. Let's see some specs here. Well, we have a 3.7 volts battery, Li-ion battery, 2200 milliamps. The column temperature approximately is 6500 K. The work light is 160 lumen. Extending length is at 37.5 centimeters. This is the length. And nothing more that I already mentioned that. Okay. Well, next we can test this product. And we will see how bright is in a dark room. Let's go and find out. Well, we are in the dark room, and let's do the headlight. This is the high beam, the lower. A little confused, I don't see any much difference, but okay, this is the orientation light. It's very high, it works great. And let's do again. High, low. Yes, it's a little bit different from the high from the low. Yeah, okay. Orientation. And then is the work light. And both of them, the 3-to-1 flashlight, I think they are great. Their brightness is very good. And consider that it only costs 13 euros and is rechargeable flashlight. Nice. Let's see how we can hook it on a metal area. And here we are. It stands very good. It's all the way 37 centimeters the length. Nice. Well, we already see what he can do with these products. The brightness is great. It illuminates the room very good. It costs 13 euros only. Buy it, guys. Worth the money. You get the flashlight, 3-in-1, rechargeable, with the magnets, with a hook. You can put it wherever you want. Wall charger, car charger, USB charging cable. You can charge it from your power bank, definitely. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice. But please hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.